Hi, I am Emily. I am a university student, and I love painting and spending time with my friends. Today, I want to tell you about the emotions and feelings that I feel in my everyday life. I feel excited when I see new things, go to new places, and meet new people. Sometimes, I feel worried, especially when I have a test at school. I study hard, but I still feel nervous about the questions. I also worry about my family, especially when they are not feeling well. There are times when I feel angry, like when someone is not nice to others. I believe that we should be respectful and kind to everyone. I also get angry when I make a mistake. I know it is normal to make mistakes, but it is still frustrating. When I watch a scary movie, I feel frightened. I know it is just a movie, but I still get scared easily. One time, my parents surprised me with a birthday party. I walked into the room and saw all my friends and family. I feel upset when I argue with my friends or when things do not go as planned. It is hard to feel happy all the time, and sometimes we need to feel upset to understand our feelings better. I am relaxed when I am reading a good book or drinking a cup of hot chocolate on a rainy day. It's a calm and peaceful feeling that helps me enjoy the present moment. There are times when I feel proud. This happens when I do something well, help others, or finish a hard task at school. I feel shy when I am around new people or in new places. Meeting new friends or talking in front of many people can make me feel very shy. When I don't understand something, I feel confused. I usually ask someone to help me. Sometimes I feel jealous. This feeling comes when someone has something I want. I feel jealous when a friend gets a better grade or has a new car. I try to remember to be happy with what I have. I often feel thankful when I see the good things in my life, like my family, my health, and my friends. Being thankful helps me focus on the good things in my life. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, press the like button. And if you'd like to learn more, check out other videos in the beginner playlist or subscribe to the channel to help our channel grow.